tutiri andu matwaraga andu raha tutwaraga andu a biashara. Andu a biashara magathie magashop na mashop tukahota kumateithia indo icio cikahota guka Kenya. Koguo ni turenda kwira andu kwina advantage yao kana kambuni ta ito ya Epic Business Tours tondu twi experts in international markets. Experts ni kuga ni twina guide system wakinya kula China kwina andu megukuonia magakunyita guoko tugutwaraga kuma muthenya wa mbere nginya muthenya wa mwisho. Na twarikia trip ona tukumaintain nginya WhatsApp group shito tugathi na mbere na ku network. Koguo ni tuhota ku exchange ona mabiashara even after we come back. Koguo no nyende ku encourage as many Kenyans modu atige kuga ati gutire mawira oke to exchange ideas and women groups maroka magatura nithio turendo tukahota kumateithia.
Tuna trip ya guthie Thailand na Vietnam February mwaka uyu na China ni turathie March na April na ni twenda gukwira karibu sana. Ni turikitie kumenya thini wa Vietnam indo ta nguo, iratu, bagi ku ni kwa US makoretwo magithondekera indo ciao na koguo no tukwirire indo njega, indo cia quality na bei ni njega ni kindu kuhota guka ukendia na ukathondeka profit yaku.
Last time I went alone, solo, and I think it was a disappointment because whoever was there guiding me couldn't know the places where I could shop things. So I've always wanted to get a team or somebody who can guide me through, and this time I've gotten a chance. Actually, I got this being advertised on the TV about 3 weeks ago, and I decided that I was to go because the package is affordable.